Think about a skill you've been trying to learn for months. What if you could master it in weeks? The problem isn't your ability, it's your approach. I struggled with piano for a year until I discovered a new method. Today, I'll show you the 7-step ADDIE framework that can transform your learning process. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to master any skill quickly, without endless tutorials. Ever spent hours on tutorials or books only to see little progress? That's mental masturbation, consuming content without real results. It feels productive, but it's just spinning your wheels. Traditional methods trick us into thinking passive consumption equals competence. Our brains recognize information more easily than they can recall or apply it. Watching a tutorial feels like learning, but when you try it yourself, you freeze. This recognition versus recall gap creates a learning valley, the frustrating gap between understanding and actually doing, which causes most people to quit. According to the World Economic Forum, 50% of employees will need reskilling by 2025, yet most people still rely on inefficient learning approaches that won't help them adapt fast enough. As you consume more content, things seem familiar, but that's not real competence. It's like reading about swimming for months, but never getting in the water. You'll recognize good form, but you'll still sink. The learning valley isn't about your talent. It's the result of using the wrong process. Most people aren't failing at the skill. They're failing at the process. The ADDIE framework for skill mastery. ADDIE is a proven 5-phase system used by elite performers and organizations to turn knowledge into real skills. It stands for analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Analysis. Audit your current skills and identify gaps. For example, a developer might realize they know coding basics but lack architecture skills. Design. Create a targeted learning path. Use micro-learning and mentorship to focus on what matters most. Development. Gather resources and build projects that match your learning style. Practice with real-world tasks. 2. Apply what you learn immediately. Deliberate practice cements new neural pathways. Measure your progress with clear metrics. Teach others to deepen your understanding. Use feedback to refine your approach. ADDIE is cyclical. Each evaluation informs your next analysis, creating continuous improvement. In conclusion, what sets rapid learners apart isn't talent, it's a structured approach. Take 10 minutes to outline one skill you want to develop, starting with a personal skill audit. Remember, the most valuable skill today is learning how to learn. Are you ready to turn skill obsolescence into your advantage?